Good morning from Langkawi and our new friend. How excited are you? What we're gonna do next if the weather permits it? I can't wait. We're gonna do something really, really exciting.
You haven't even seen me.
Only
my butt.
I can see your butt.
Talking.
Yes. We're actually gonna do something really, really exciting, which I'm super, super, super stoked about.
Really. What? I know the word.
Loud, slow, soft. Yeah. We're at Langkawi. What was the name of the beach again?
Yeah.
Pantai Senang.
Takeda. Oh.
No, Senang Beach. And it's not actually too far from where we're staying. But we're just chilling at the beach right now. We'll in like an hour and a half. We're supposed to go to this very, very exciting adventure if the weather permits it. So far it seems okay. It seems like it's not gonna rain nor it's gonna storm or anything bad. It's just overcast and a little bit sunny. But either way, I'm excited. What's it called here? What's the name of the island? Was it Pregnant Maid Island?
Yeah. Something like that. I don't know.
We just had like, how long did we go on the jet ski for? Like 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Now we're chilling here, swimming, and then I have no clue where we're still going.
I don't know. Another island, I think.
But it's fun going like really fast on the jet ski.
Yeah. I think it's too bad that you can't see how hard you're going on the screen. Yeah, how fast. I'm sorry.
It's not in miles nor in kilometers.
No. But I don't see anything.
Yeah,
No.
I do have some numbers.
I don't.
I do have some numbers, but I couldn't figure out what it was.
No.
Miles per hour?
35 miles per hour.
Oh, then I may have not filled the right one.
Baby kan dat veel harder.
Oh shit, die was ook wel creepy. Ga maar springen. Oh, dat is alleen bij jou dat je zo net zit, hoor. Zonnebril op. Ja.
Dan zou ik die zonnebril liggen niet doen. Ja. Yeah. Eagles. Kijk allemaal vliegen. Ik bump even tegen je aan. Kan je kokosnoot halen? Ja. Ah. Coconut. Ga naar je vriend de aap.
was the experience?
I was just talking.
How cool was it?
Oh, sorry. It was amazing.
Did you enjoy it?
Really
Oh
liked
my god,
it.
you're so red. He's not
He
listening.
burnt as hell.
He's sunburned. What you think?
What?
What you think of the entire experience?
Very nice.
That honestly was really cool experience. Oh, okay.
Can I
And it was.
sign in English again? Can I
You can watch the videos on my GoPro. I took a shit ton of videos on my GoPro.
zakje proberen in lange ingewikkeld
But
houden?
the entire experience overall, it was really cool. We got to see so many things. We got to swim in a lot of places. Yeah. And I got really tan today, which is nice. But overall, really nice experience. And now I'm starving, so we're gonna get some food and see what's gonna happen on this beach at night.